This video will help you complete the Coding Club Week 3 assignment. And the Coding Club Week 3 assignment, you had two main things. You had to add these these properties to your CSS. You had to add these CSS properties, excuse me. And then secondly, you had to email a link to your page no later than Monday the 24th. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do fontFamily. So again, let's remind ourselves of how to even use CSS. Remember, CSS refers to styles, and the way that you can call a property in CSS is with the following notation. You first declare the selector, which is like an H1 or body or H2 or whatever it may be. You have two squiggly brackets, and then within those squiggly brackets, you have what's called a property, colon, a value, and then semicolon. Again, so your selector, two squiggly brackets, property, colon, value, semicolon. In this case, I've already told you the property that I want changed. I want the following property, fontFamily. I want that to be changed. So let's go ahead and go to our JS bin. And my page currently looks like this. Okay, I'm going to actually change my H1. So in my H1, remember I can close windows by selecting this on your JS bin screen. This will allow you to see different parts of the HTML or the CSS. And so now I've got this open. I don't need the HTML open. Let's go ahead and change the font family. Remember, it's font-family, and then colon, and I'm going to change it to Verdana. Now you'll notice that it didn't seem like anything really changed. Well, that could be possible. It could be possible that your browser does not support a particular font family. So I'll show you in a later video how to overcome that. But in this case, there are several font families that you could try to see if it'll work. So let's try Arial and see if that works. So I'll try Arial. There we go. That changed something. But again, Verdana didn't really change anything. It was Arial that changed something. So it's supported by my browser. Now you'll notice that there are other font families I can pick. I am looking right now at the W3 Schools CSS font page. And if you go to w3schools.com, you'll see this whole site over here, and you can just click CSS fonts. And if I want to pick a font that has like multiple words like Times New Roman or Courier New, I've got to put that in quotation marks. So let me try that. Let me try Courier New, and I'm going to put that in Courier New. Nice. That was supported. Watch what happens though here. I can put in a capital Courier New. I can put in a lowercase Courier New. Basically, my point is the upper or lowercase doesn't matter. You've got it selected like that. And now you've got a font family changed. If you wanted it for something else, obviously you can pick it for something else. Like, what if I wanted my order list to also have a different font family? Well, I can do that as well. Font family. And let's try what worked, Arial. Okay, and so I've got my font family Arial, and that didn't seem to work. Let me try Verdana. Oh, why didn't this work? It's because I have ordered list, but I'm referring to an unordered list right here, right? This is an unordered list. So what happens if I do UL? Now that changes. I kind of tricked myself and then I figured out my mistake. Hopefully you saw that in the video. You can figure it out on your own, despite the challenges that you might see. Hope you're able to change your font family. Otherwise, this video is done.